Hey guys, it's Tim with LeatherSeats.com. In today's video, we're going to be installing one of our new LS Prime bespoke interior packages in this 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Hey guys, we're installing this custom leather interior conversion package into a 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited being built by Merle's Automotive. I want to show you a side-by-side comparison of the factory cloth to our bespoke LeatherSeats Prime interior. Many of you are aware that we offer a ton of customization options on our Wrangler-specific website, Wrangler.LeatherSeats.com. However, this LeatherSeats Prime package has some very unique options that go outside of our standard production process. We're now offering a variety of completely bespoke insert options using the integration of CNC stitch technology. For the majority of these custom designs, you'll need to consult with one of our aftermarket leather interior experts to design your package. You can also check out our bespoke interior options page for specific pre-configured packages such as this one. Like most of our kits, our 13 to 17 Jeep Wrangler packages are actually designed for the original upholstery to be removed before installation. As you can see, we use a similar style of attachments to the factory upholstery, including all of the necessary J-clips and hog ring attachments. In this case, we've deleted the center Velcro strip to accommodate the custom design. Because we design our kits as an actual replacement to the original upholstery, once installed properly, we'll retain a factory fit and finish. All of the seat functions remain the same, including the map pockets and seat adjustments.
Hey guys, it's Eric with LeatherSeats.com. As you can see, Luis got the rest of the install knocked out on the front buckets with the carbon fiber seat heater upgrade. After looking at all the options for this Jeep build, we decided to go with the two-tone you see here. It's pretty subtle, black on the outside with the piazza blue perforated wings and a contrasting blue double stitching. The real highlight of this LeatherSeats Prime bespoke interior package for the JK Wrangler is definitely the reticulated hexagon stitch pleated inserts. Since integrating CNC sewing technology into the LS Prime manufacturing process, we've been working on developing and testing a variety of bespoke stitch pleated insert styles, but this has to be the most exciting design to date. This custom interior for the 13 to 17 JK Wrangler 4-door Unlimited is going to be a pre-selected package on the bespoke section of our website. If you want to check that out, click the link in the description below. We will be offering this in our deluxe leather content, which is closest to the OEM Jeep factory leather to matching vinyl ratio. You can also upgrade to our premium content kit, which adds more leather to the rear seats specifically. From there, if you want all leather, we are offering a 100% leather package.
Hey guys, we got the seats bolted back up in the Jeep. Check out the finished LeatherSeats.com interior. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions on the products we can offer for your Jeep, or if you'd like to receive some free leather samples, feel free to call any of our aftermarket leather interior experts at 866-NEW-SEAT. LeatherSeats.com. Custom look, factory fit.